Want to know how to win as an owner-operator in any market? Hey, I'm David from Silchuk. We've been in the business for 15 years, and we've seen the same story over and over again. The driver gets their own truck, excited to be their own boss, and make more money. Fast forward 6 months, and they're barely making ends meet. Here's the harsh reality. You spend half the day chasing loads, dealing with brokers who lowball you, permits you've never heard of, and when something breaks down, you're scrambling to find a shop that won't rip you off. It's exhausting. And those of you who tried it know exactly what I'm talking about. And you know that at the end of the day, it eats into your drive time, which means less money in your pocket. The good news is, there is a better way. Instead of going at it completely alone, you can partner with a company. That's why we created the Owner-Operator program at Silchuk. It's built to tackle issues that owner-ops face again and again and provide the right support so that you can thrive in any market. The first issue is, you got in this to drive, not become a mechanic, dispatcher, or safety manager. Our program handles all of that. We provide dispatch, safety compliance, permits, administration, and access to our fleet manager so you can get your truck maintained at a reasonable price without getting ripped off. There's no nickel and diming here. We keep it simple. You are 90% of the load gross. We take 10% to provide all that support. Second thing, when you start as an owner-op, you learn everything through trial and error. Which loads are worth taking, which regions pay the best, what a fair price for repairs and equipment is, which fuel card to get. Problem is, trial and error gets expensive fast. That's where our program comes in. You'll have our 15 years of industry knowledge working for you. We'll advise you on the most profitable regions and loads, guide you on equipment purchases, and make sure you're on a fuel program that actually saves you money. Third, when you go solo and something breaks down at 2 a.m., who do you call? With us, you have 24/7 dispatch and mechanical support. So you could call someone that'll actually pick up the phone and help you get back on the road. If this sounds like something that could help you succeed as an owner-operator, I want you to click the button on your screen right now. Whether you're leasing or bringing your own truck, we'll walk you through how our program operates and see if it's the right fit for you. Click the button, apply, and let us help you make the most out of any market.